Here's a really common counting and Irish mistake made by teachers. Okay, very simply, we are counting things past 10. So it's when we're looking at, for example, 13 cups. We are talking about 3 cupán déag or 3 cupán dhéag. The question is it 3 cupán déag or dhéag? And it's a very easy way to just remember. If the noun we are counting, in this case cupán, ends in a consonant, the déag, which déag you use, is always the déag without the shevu, without the H. Okay? So a 3 cupán déag, not dhéag. Okay? Very simply. Now, the inverse of that, 17 oranges. We have shocked naráiste, because after shocked we get the aru on the noun. Shocked naráiste déag or dhéag. Love who's into that. Yes? Dhéag. Mahu. On what? So it's dhéag. Why? Because the ending of aráiste is a vowel. The easiest thing to remember, if you're counting past, again, past 10, 3 cupán ends in a consonant, so the déag will be just déag, no aspiration, no shevu, no H. 3 words, the same thing. Aspiration, shevu, H, same thing. If the noun you're counting ends in a vowel, in this case aráiste, E, the déag will aspirate. It will take a shevu. It will take a H. So it's 3 cupán déag, shocked naráiste dhéag. Okay? Another nice handy one. Again, mightn't be fully obvious, but again, as soon as it's explained, it's kind of something that's very easy to remember. And once you kind of start consciously turning it on and using it in your head and saying it, again, keep saying it myself. It's something so easy to point out in a class as well. If someone's counting, as well, I think one of the most common mistakes children make is when they're counting nouns, they're counting pens, counting pencils, cups, or oranges. They always say, well, there's 3 déag cupán, or there's shocked déag aráiste, or aráistes, as you hear all the time, cupáns and aráistes. The S at the end for the plural. Stuff like that when they're counting is so easy, just flick on and off, that we can correct very handily. So that's a way of counting past 10 in the teens. An easy way of remembering it, ends in a consonant, déag, ends in a vowel, dhéag.